Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My topic is efficient use of important tools of computer. I know that कि आप लोग right now full tired हैं और बहुत मुश्किल से कंप्यूटर के कुछ टूल्स सीखने की ट्राई करेंगे, ठीक है, बट आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि इजी मेथड में आप लोगों को कुछ न्यू टूल्स, न्यू कंप्यूटर्स, टेक्निक्स जो से वो आपसे शेयर करूँ. ओके, सो यू नो डेट यूजेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर. In every field we are using the computer. Okay, even you are the doctor, even related to the education field. अभी you are the teacher. मैं कंप्यूटर टूल्स के बारे में आपको गाइड करना स्टार्ट करूँगा तो आप लोग कुछ देर के बाद आफ्टर सम टूल्स में भी ये फील कर रहे होंगे भाई इससे हमारा क्या काम है, हमने ये क्यों सीखने हैं. मैं इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ, मैं उर्दू टीचर हूँ, तो मैंने ये टूल्स क्यों सीखने हैं. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ डेट एवरी फील्ड में कंप्यूटर यूज़ किया जा रहा है और अगर हम उसी कंप्यूटर यूज़ तो करना है हमने, बट इफ़ एफिशिएंटली यूज़ करेंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस. ठीक है, जैसा मिस्टर शहबाज ने एक स्लाइड शेयर की थी, स्मार्ट वर्क एंड हार्ड वर्क. काम तो कर रहे हैं हम लोग कंप्यूटर पर, बट अगर हम उसको स्मार्ट वे में लेके चलेंगे तो वह हमारा काम लेस टाइम में हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एक्चुअली मेरा पर्पज़ आज का यही है कि आपको थोड़ा सा स्मार्ट वर्क शेयर करना. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहे हैं तो हम किस तरीके से इजी वे में काम कर सकते हैं. और दिस इज अ कोटेशन, यू नो डेट एवरीवन कैन रीड इट. ओके, सो सिंपल इज डेट, नॉलेज लिटिल बिट है मेरे पास कंप्यूटर का, वो मैं आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, मे बी आप लोगों के पास भी, लिसन, कंप्यूटर फील्ड एक ऐसी फील्ड है कि जिसमें हम लोग ये अज्यूम कर रहे होते हैं बहुत, कंप्यूटर फील्ड एक ऐसी फील्ड है कि अगर आई एम द कंप्यूटर टीचर तो आप लोग ये फील कर रहे हैं कि भाई एवरीथिंग नो, कि इसको सब चीज़ें आती हैं. ठीक है, सब चीज़ों के बारे में नो हाउ होने चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. एक्चुअली ये प्रैक्टिस से, एक्सपीरियंस से और शेयर करने से आती है. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल है, उसको एक पूरा वर्ल्ड कहा जाता है कि आपने जितना भी सीख लिया, इवन आप 5 ईयर 10 ईयर भी लगा लेंगे तो आप 100% उसमें एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो सकते. जब हमें कुछ ना कुछ टास्क मिलते हैं, उसके ऊपर हम वर्क करते हैं, तो देन एक्सप्लोर डेट कि यार ये ऑप्शन कहाँ पे थी. समटाइम बहुत सिंपल सी ऑप्शन होती हैं, बहुत सिंपल सा वर्क होता है, हमें वो ऑप्शन मिल ही नहीं रही होती. ठीक है, आफ्टर डेट बाय सिंगल क्लिक वो हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो सो डेट्स वाई वी शुड बी शेयर द नॉलेज, स्पेशली कंप्यूटर नॉलेज. सो प्लीज यू हैव द पेज, राइट ऑन अ पेपर द न्यू थिंग्स यू हैव लर्न इन लास्ट मंथ, लाइक न्यू ऑप्शन, टूल, सॉफ्टवेयर, पोर्टल्स के अलावा. ठीक है, जो आप LMS यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसके अलावा कोई भी ऑप्शन आपने लास्ट मंथ में लर्न की है रिलेटेड टू कंप्यूटर, प्लीज़ राइट ऑन अ पेपर. LMS के अलावा, क्योंकि LMS की तो एक ट्रेनिंग सेशन भी हुआ था, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपने वहाँ से लर्न, अटेंडेंस का मेथड और एट्सेट्रा सीखा था. उसके अलावा बताइएगा कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड आपने कौन सी न्यू थिंग लर्न की है. जी सर, कंप्यूटर रिसेंटली आप जी मिस खालदा.
सर मैंने पावर पॉइंट में स्लाइड्स बनाते थे, थोड़ी नई चीजें सीखी हैं, बैकग्राउंड कलर, दिस दैट, आई वेरी गुड.
ओके, वेरी गुड. जी,
नाइट्रो पीडीएफ आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैट फॉर combining the PPTs.
ओके, जी मिस नादिया.
Yesterday I was checking the list of 55 students that I was about to find one student. So I was just clicking it all the students and checking. So just Control F and मिल जाए.
Control F, yes, very nice. Very simple option. Control F से find out करें. जी मिस सना. Nothing.
Night mode.
This show
Night mode.
Without moving on the airplane, without clicking the airplane mode, you will not receive any notifications.
Notification.
No, nothing. But the notifications will stick to me, but they will not label anything. They will not show on that unless and until you click on that night mode and that 6 again more T. That is the new tool which I have learned.
Okay, yes miss. Control plus F. This is very simple thing. हम लोग assume करेंगे everyone know about the control plus F, control plus H for the replacement. Okay, but आप लोगों ने इस month में उसको लर्न किया है, न्यू थिंग है आप लोगों के लिए. सो सिंपल इज डेट. यहाँ पे भी बड़ी सिंपल सी चीज़ें होंगी. मे बी आप में से 50% को वो पता हो, 50% को ना पता हो. मे बी 99% को पता हो, 1% को ना पता हो. तो उसके लिए न्यू लर्निंग होगी. सो अटेंटिव बैठिएगा. चॉकलेट्स पहले मैं आपको दे दूँ, वैसे ही दे देता हूँ, ठीक है. आप लोग थोड़े से ज़रा एनर्जी दो सर प्लीज़. अच्छा लिसन, आई हैव द 4 चॉकलेट्स. लिसन लिसन लिसन, आई हैव द 4 चॉकलेट्स. जो सबसे ज़्यादा अटेंटिव रहेगा उसके लिए ये सब है, ठीक है, उसको दी जाएगी. जी बिल्कुल. मेरे पास ओके सर. ओके ओके लिसन लिसन. अभी मैं आपके सामने ना एक लिंक शेयर करूँगा. आपने इसमें से ना एनिमल्स को काउंट करना है, ठीक है. अटेंटिवली आपने एनिमल्स को काउंट करना है उस स्क्रीन में से. ओके प्लीज. एनिमल्स फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो.
We don't see any animal over here.
Okay, just look at them.
You still couldn't find even a single one. What's that?
अटेंटिवली देखिएगा.
Miss Kalda.
यस मिस खालदा. ओनली वन.
That is where is it two?
मिस खालदा आप चॉकलेट नहीं लेना चाह रही. और
Art?
They were not animals.
Yes, they were human. That's what I'm saying. Yes.
Miss Pasta.
I cannot see it from there.
Four. That's it.
Lion.
ओके वेट अ मिनट.
Okay.
Can you please switch off the lights? So I can.
हाउ मेनी एनिमल्स वाज देयर?
4. 11.
4, 12,
10.
11.
11.
more than more than 12. Just I think so 5 to 6 animals was there. Okay, there was the one link just for the zoom. Okay, so only the 4 animals was repeating over there. Okay, so please look at there. Actually I want to teach that zoom it software. लास्ट ईयर से मैं मिस्टर ज़ीशान को कह रहा था कि जूम इट सर हमें यूज़ करना चाहिए क्लासेस में. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव ड्यूरिंग द टीचिंग. इवन यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द स्लाइड्स और इवन you are giving the lectures, especially in my you can say that in my subject it is very helpful. Okay, so what is the zoom it? So look at there, this is the main purpose of the zoom it. So zoom it software के बारे में हम लोग लर्न करेंगे और प्लस कुछ पावर पॉइंट्स एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल. ओके लिसन, हाउ टू इंस्टॉल इट, हाउ टू यूज इट. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. just go to the Google and write the zoom it. Okay, and there will be the one link, this one link. Okay, so just you will be click on it and then this type of link will be appear. Here is the one option, download zoom it. Okay, when you will be click onto it and then there will be the exe file. Okay, just like to this one, zoom it. I will be show to you that just double click onto it and after that they will be asked कि first time कितना zoom करना है, 1.75 zoom करना है or less or more. I'm clicking on OK. So now you can so we can also change the shortcut keys. Okay, I am putting the shortcut key is control plus 1 for the zoom. Okay, and then when I will be press control plus 1, so now you can check it. Even we can zoom these things. This is the exe file. Okay, there you will be double click onto it. Understand? Okay, so what is the shortcut key for the zoom? Control plus 1. When first of all you will be press the double click onto it and then control plus 1. It is very simple. Okay, so these are the some more things over here. These are the 4 buttons: live zoom, draw, type and break. Okay, live zoom, draw, type or break. Now if I want to do the live zoom, this is a shortcut key is control plus 4. Okay, so if I will be press control plus 4, this is a live zoom. Understand? So if I want to double click onto the my computer and I want to click over there, so cross or etc. I can do over there. So if you want to exit from here, control plus 4, then again you will be press it. Okay, okay, understand? So if you want to do the live zoom, then control plus 4. If you want to do the just zoom, control plus 1. So even we can draw the things over there. So we have this pointer. The color is green. The color is green. So if I want to point out the things, even with arrow, then I will be press the control plus shift and drag. Okay, so we can be point out over there. If I want to exit just for the drawing mode, press the right click, and then by using the arrows keys we can be change it. Okay, even suppose that I was talking about the zoom it. So if I want to draw the box over there, so press the just control key and drag it, then the box you can draw it. Okay, control and drag. So take the shortcut keys about the zoom it. All the shortcut keys are here. Zoom out. Just press the escape key. Yes, through the escape key you can be outside. Okay, so if the things are here, listen, it is very easy to learn. All the shortcut keys are mentioned over there. So I am writing over there all the shortcut keys related to the zoom it. If you want to learn it within 10 to 15 minutes, you can learn all the zoom it software. Okay, it is very easy. Look at here. If I will be take this one, so all the information are written over there. Okay, so all the details, how what is the purpose of the loop, live zoom and draw. Look at there. If I will be take this one. Okay, if you want to make the circle or shapes with the yellow color, just press the Y and then draw it. If you want to change the color, red color, press the R and then can change it. Okay, so these are the shortcut keys in front of you. You can draw the ellipse shape. If you want to draw the ellipse shapes, then you can draw it easily by pressing the tab key. Okay, so please look at there. By pressing the tab key, you can draw the ellipse shape. Yes, please come. So control plus 1, and if I want to make a ellipse shape, okay, so by pressing the tab key and drag it, so simply we can be draw it. Okay, understand? Please read one time these shortcut keys, and after that I will be give the little bit demonstration. Okay, about the text. Even if you want to write the text, comprehension paragraphs are there, so you can be point out the words and you can also type the meanings over there. So we can be point out the things easily over here. Okay, So if I want to write the text, just press the T and then you can write the text. Okay, just like home, or press the right click and then move the another location, or you can write for this one. Suppose that I'm changing the color and press the T, here I can write the text. Okay, so simply is that during the presentation you can also use this one, okay, for writing the text over there. So hope so you will be you understand about this thing, how you can install it and how you can use it. Okay, so all the instructions are written into the Zoomit software with explanation. Just read one time and shortcut keys are here and try to use it, then it will be very effective for you. Okay, okay, thank you. पावर पॉइंट में आप लोगों ने क्विज प्रिपेयर करना होता है, तो हेयर वी कैन क्रिएट द लिंक्स. ओके, जैसे कि इसमें इफ वी वांट टू मेक अ क्विज इन अ पीपीटी, सो दे हैव द लिंक्स. which of the following is a presentation program? PowerPoint. Okay, if I will be click onto it, then correct, great. Okay, so we can create the link. Here we have the button, back button. Okay, if I will be click onto it and then move to the next question. Move to the next question. How we can create it, I will explain. So it is the next question. Which of the following is a storage device? MS Word, MS Excel, hard disk, all. Oh, okay. Listen. Hard disk. Yes, hard disk is correct, but I think so link has changed, so that's why. Suppose that if I am clicking onto the wrong option, so I am also the make a link. I can also create the link with the wrong answer. Okay, how we can create the link? Listen, how we can create the link? It is a very simple. Control plus M is a shortcut key for making a new slide. Okay, Control plus M. So please distribute to them. Control plus M for mango.
Then what is control plus N?
M is used to make the new slide.
No, N.
N for new. Okay, these are the some shortcut keys. Okay, so you can be explore these shortcut keys. Actually efficiently कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करना चाह रहे हैं, स्मार्ट वर्क करना चाह रहे हैं, तो then try to use the shortcut keys. Okay, don't need to go right click over there and click onto the making a new slide. Okay, create a new slide. Don't use this one.
Control plus M means new slide, I guess.
Yes, new slide.
Purpose is new slide.
Yes.
How are we going to link it with the answer? Are we going to choose it?
Yes, I am telling you. Okay, this one is the empty slide. So suppose that I am clicking onto the insert. I am creating the one text box over here. So here we can write any question. Any question.
What is your age?
Input
What is your age in this?
device. Okay, so I write this question. I need to set into the middle. Control plus E is used to align the center. Control plus E is used to align center. And control plus, listen, control plus bracket is used to increase the font size. Okay, is used to increase the font size. Yes, bracket, square brackets you can say. Square or curly are there. Like this. Control plus B is used for bold. Okay, so same like this. Control plus. Sir, actually they learned. Which one is the input device?
Okay.
Listen. So we can create the 4 boxes are here, text boxes, or even we can also create the buttons over here. So I am writing over keyboard, and then I should be copy Control plus C and paste 3-4 times.
Can I add one thing here?
Align.
No. If we simply control plus,
Drag. Yes.
it will be also
Control plus drag is also used for copy. Okay. Control plus drag. Drag. The shortcut key is written over there. Control plus drag or Control plus C. Look at here. Just click over there. Press the Control key and then drag it. Oh, sorry.
ड्रैग मींस तो आप उसको लेके आ कंट्रोल
Okay. Control plus drag.
आई हैव
Control plus Z is used for Miss Halda. Control plus Z is used for undo. Okay. So look at here. Actually, listen, Miss Nadia. Miss Nadia. I have the 2 slides. Okay. This one is a correct grade, or this one is a incorrect. So I want to create the link with this files. So this one. Simply is that I select the text. Sorry. I select the text and press the Control plus K. Control plus K is used for hyperlink. Okay. So we have these options. So look at there. This one is a existing file or web page. So I gave the one link over there for the Zoom, and even for where from we can find out the days, age in days. Okay, we can give the links directly with the existing web page or files. Simply you can add the portals links over there. And the next one is place in the document. Place in the document, because actually the correct option or incorrect option is a part of the document. So we can create the link with them, or even create the new documents or current folder, browsed page or recent file. So this one is this one is a place in this document. So please look at there. This one is the incorrect answer. Okay, if you want to correct with the correct answer, then you can select that select that slide and click on OK. So if I am click on OK, then it is a link. So whenever I will be press on it, even like this. So if I will be press on to it keyboard, so then it will be moved to the correct option. Okay. Similarly, we have the one button, back button. Okay. So same like this. Even you can create the shape over there, and similarly press the Control plus K and then link with the next question. Okay. You can do the next link with the next question. So for every slide, every time we need to do the link. It's mean कि लूप चलेगा वहाँ पर. ठीक है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वहाँ पर बैक का बटन है, फिर वापस जब बैक करते हैं तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, उस पर अगर बैक का बटन दोबारा जाके लिंक अप्लाई करते हैं उससे नेक्स्ट वाले बटन पे. सो एवरी टाइम इट विल बी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. ओके. सिंपली दैट वी कैन क्रिएट द क्विज ओवर हियर. Okay, understand? You can create the link. So some more options are here, but if you are using, yes sir, if you are using the Microsoft Office 2016, okay, there will be the one option related to the there you can ink pen tools are there. So please explore it, especially for the maths teacher. Especially for the maths teacher. These are the links. In a equation, yes, this one is a ink equation option are here. Okay, this one option. Can you see it? This one option. Ink equation. So simply is that you will be click on this option. Equation. Ink equation. So through the pen, look like a pen. Sorry, we need to write on this form. B plus, okay, so we can create the equation over there. We can type the things like A and then square also. Okay, so we can create this type of things if you are making the equations.
Equations only or sums as well?
Any symbol you can create it. Just look like a pen, you will be draw it. Even roughly you will be draw it.
Students will be able to look at the upper one, not
Yes, upper one, yes. Here, when you will be click onto the insert, then look like the upper one. Okay, so through this way you can add. Yes, we need to find out, na. Sometime we need to superscript or subscript, so there we can be find out. Another method is that when you are in Word, you can also. Even we have the option Control plus for the. Just I am giving the example to you. Related to the maths, you can create it. Otherwise, we have the shortcut key for the superscript or subscript. Control Shift or equal to sign, and Control equal. Okay, we have for the superscript or subscript. We can use it. So, but if you want to create
There is an ink option on the Microsoft.
word.
I am studying it.
same.
I'm saying
Okay, one more thing. If you want to create the shapes, suppose that
PPT and Word, they are available on both.
suppose that you are creating this shape. Listen. So we can also edit this shape. Go to the edit shape option. Can you see it? This option. This one is edit points. Okay, you will be click onto it. Edit points. So then we can be change it. Okay, even if we want to create some more points are there, so click over there and then create it. Okay,
Without adding the text box, can we label it?
label.
ABC point A or D or C. So do you need to add the text box?
Simple is that. Listen, if you want to label it, click over here and then press the A. Listen, this one is a A. Okay, you can change its position. Okay, got it? So simply is that B, C or D things you can be write out. Okay, one more thing. Listen, understand this one is how we can add the points. Okay, sir. Okay, I think so. Yesterday, Miss Basla was using the.
most of
Okay. Wait.
Mr. Nan, can we change the shape of the pictures which we downloaded from the internet over here?
Look at this picture. Remove background. I think so you used the option. Okay, Miss Pazla used remove background option. So when you will be insert the picture over there, we have the one option, remove background. Can you see that? Automatically into the format tab. If the format tab is not selected, please click onto it. Okay, when you will be select the picture, automatically it will become over there. So you will be click onto the remove background. Please look at there. This slide has changed. Look like this one. Okay, but here is this part. This part will be the green one. It will be represent over there. You want to add this area. So we have the one button, add mark area to keep. Okay, if you will be click onto it, mark area to keep. So it will become like this. It's mean this area will be remove, sorry. Okay, now you can check it. It has changed. So through this way we can be remove the backgrounds. We can use the pictures through this way. Okay, it will be very good way to represent the presentation. Yesterday all the picture has removed. Even they were asking about that presentation, how they can just place the elephant pictures are there. Okay, so through remove the background. Okay, I share the some shortcut key with you. So all of these things I can be share with you. Listen. Control plus T. You know that Control plus T is used for making the new tab. Okay, Control plus T. Just like if I am writing the Gmail or even I am searching the things. Okay, so unfortunately I crossed that tab. Okay, so I want to restore these things, restore all the tabs. How simple is that? Go there and press Control Shift T. Control Shift T. Accidentally if the file, the things or tab will be closed, so then press the Control plus Shift plus T. Then you can be restore all the tabs. Okay. Control Shift and T. The shortcut key is written over there. Okay. Or if we want to switch from the one tab to another, Control Tab. Understand? Some more things are here.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Related to Excel. Wait a minute.
ठीक है, ले।
Assessment result are there. It's okay. Listen, name, class and section. If we make this one ABC or 8th class and then Okay, please look at there. Control plus home. These are the title. समटाइम ऐसा होता है कि हमारे पास डेटा अगर ज़्यादा हो, लिस्ट बड़ी हो जाए तो टाइटल हाइड हो जाता है, ठीक है. इफ़ यू वांट टू फिक्स द टाइटल ओवर देयर, सो हाउ यू कैन डू इट इवन इन गूगल शीट. Just press even column if you want to fix over there, so then you can do it. Otherwise, place the cursor over there and then go to the view and freeze panes. So there is a one option, freeze first column. Okay, so freeze top row. If I will do it, now you can check it. The name class section will remain same. Okay, so even we were entering the result over there and enter the marks there, so there was a problem. Okay, so you can be freeze easily.
Where we need to go for the freeze?
Go to the view menu. Again I am doing
Yes, it is.
view. Yes, even you want to freeze the 3 columns or 2 rows, so you need to put the cursor on to the 4th column, okay, and the 4th rows. There will be the cursor and upper one or left one will be freeze. Okay, so through the option of freeze pane. One more thing, I think so it will be the last one. So if we want to make the list of the students, every time we need to type the name of the students, so we can be type once and then use many times. How? Simple is that, look like if we are writing the Monday and then click and drag it, the others days names are coming. So Mr. Adnan Majid, other will also come, very nice. So look at there, if I will be click the autofill option, can you see that the other names will come. Don't need to type.
At least you need to type once.
Once.
Once we have to type, then
Just how we can type it. Or actually female staff name is not there. So simple is that any name. Suppose that I am starting from Mr. Ijaz Bhatt.
But you have typed it somewhere now.
नहीं, लेकिन कहाँ? और इसका link कैसे?
One time we need to type. So simple is that
Okay.
other names will come. Look at here. Now I want to.
नहीं, second.
Now I will be create with a smart way. We will be create the list. Simple is that. Click over here. I want to add the list of the female staff. Go to the file, and there will be the option at the end. Okay. Then we have the option advanced. And drag it. Here we have the option edit custom list. Okay, when you will be click onto it, actually these lists are here. So if you write the SUN, then click and drag it, other name will come. If you will be write Sunday, Monday like this, so it will become, or name of the months, and I have added this one list. If you want to add the list, click over there and make a list. Miss Sana,
From file where did you go? Advanced.
Miss Sana or Miss Nadia, Miss Khalda, Miss Adila.
आपको chocolate की मिली।
Okay, like this one. Okay, so Miss Yasmin, next time, right? So I will be click on to the add button, so this list will be appear, and then say it okay. So Miss, I am starting from Miss Nadia. Okay,
तुम्हें सना नहीं मिलती है?
Yes.
जो नाम ऐड किए हैं उसमें
वो दे देंगे, सीक्वेंस चेंज हो सकता है।
सीक्वेंस चेंज हो सकता है जहाँ से भी स्टार्ट करें. तो सिमिलरली आप अपनी क्लास की वन टाइम लिस्ट बना सकते हैं और क्लिक एंड ड्रैग करें, वो सब नेम आ जाएंगे. इवन कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑल लिस्ट बनाएं, क्लिक एंड ड्रैग कहीं से भी स्टार्ट करें तो कंप्लीट नेम आ जाएंगे. or some more things. Okay, listen. Suppose that I am writing over here name